वेलकम टू मैथ सॉल्यूशंस फॉर ऑल। आज हमने MT14 जून 2019 को एक क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्यूशंस के साथ बताने जा रहा हूँ। कंसीडर a rat population xt at any time t greater than 0 if ax is birth rate and bx square is the death rate, ab being constant. Then formulate the model of the rat population. If initial population is 120 rats and there are 8 birds and 6 deaths per month occurring at t equals to 0, that is initially, how many months does it take for xt to reach 95% of the limiting population, or it is called threshold population? Let xt be the size of the rat population at any time t greater than 0. Let bt and dt denotes respectively the number of births and deaths at any time t. Then by given condition, birth rate equals to axt. This is given. So we know birth rate. What is birth rate? dbt by dt equals to axt, and death rate d by ddt by dt equals to bx square t. This is given. Now 1 minus 2 gives ddt by bt minus dt equals to ax minus bx square. This is birth rate minus death rate. Birth rate minus death rate. This is what is this? This is our actual population. That is dxt by dt. This is nothing but xt equals to axt minus bx square t with boundary condition x0 equals to x0 and AB are constant. This is the model equation of the rat population at any time t. Now to solve this equation, we have to write this equation in its logistic differential equation form. So we write dx dt equals to bx. यहाँ पे b कॉमन ले लिया है, so क्या मिल रहा है? bx a by b minus x equals to kx m minus x, where k equals b equals to k and a by b equals to m. What is m? M is called the limiting population or threshold population. M equals to a by b is called limiting population or threshold population, and k equals to carrying capacity. Second part, given when t equals to 0, x0 equals to 120. यहाँ पे दिया है second part में जो 120 पहले 120 rats था initially, and death birth rate क्या था? birth rate 8 birth rates and 6 death rates per month occurring at t equals to 0. So ax equals to 8 equals to a equals to 8 by x0, 8 by 120, क्योंकि x0 का वैल्यू है 120 initially, and b equals to 6 by 120 square equals to 12400. Now m equals to what is m equals to? m is equals to nothing but threshold population equals to a by b equals to, मैंने a by b का वैल्यू पुट कर दिया है, उसके बाद मेरे को 160 मिल रहा है. Hence from 5 we get what is 5. यहाँ पे 5 जो इक्वेशन है इसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे. तो dx by t equals to x by 2400 160 minus x. Now dx by x into 160 minus x just to 2400 dt c plus c dash. c dash is the indicating constant. मैंने both side इंटीग्रेशन कर रहा है. उसके बाद मेरे को आपको इंटीग्रेशन में गेट ln 160 minus x by x equals to minus t into 160 2400 minus 160 into c dash. Now we get ln 160 minus x by x equals to minus t by 15 plus ln c, where ln c equals to 1 minus 160 into c dash. So after we get calculation, we get xt equals to 160 by c e to the power minus t by 15 plus 1. Sorry, plus 1, yes. When t equals to 0, we have x0 equals to 120. So 120 equals to 160 c plus 1. So from these we get the value of c, that is indicating c constant, equals to 1 by 3. So after putting this value in this equation, we get xt equals to 480 by e to the power minus t by 15 plus 3. Now when xt equals to 95% of m, क्योंकि यहाँ पे दे दिया है कि फाइंड करना है कि xt to reach 95% of the limiting population. So m is nothing but limiting population, 95% of m, that is xt equals to 0.95 ab, where m equals to a by b is the limiting population. Now from 6 we get 0.95 m equals to 480 by e to the power minus t by 15 plus 3. So e to the power minus t by 15 plus 3 equals to, after putting this value of the m and 0.95 after 100 equals to 60 by 19. So e to the power minus t by 15 equals to 60 by 90 minus 3. After this we get, taking log on both sides, we get ln 19 by 3 equals to t by 15 or t equals to 15 ln 19 by 3. ln 19 by 3 का value है approximately 1.8458. That is the, after multiplying this 15 into this, we get 27.69 months. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.